So in my 99 GPXJ no start no crank issue, I used my multimeter and this is the starter relay. I tested this out. So I made a diagram based on my testing. I don't know, I didn't verify in online whether this is correct or not. Tell me if I'm right or not. So from ignition to fuse, it's good. My fuse is good. It didn't blow off. Fuse to this pin, same orientation as here. I can get 12 volt here whenever I'm cranking. So that is good. 12 volt constant on the top. Always I get 12 volt. So that is also good. This is coming from the neutral safety switch. When I plug out my neutral safety switch, then it doesn't send ground. If it is connected and it is in park or neutral, it sends ground. So my neutral safety switch, this pin is good, but this pin should not have anything. It should be an open pin, but it shows as if it is shorted to ground. So I believe this wire should have melted and shorted to ground, or maybe my solenoid itself has shorted to ground. So that's why this wire is showing ground. So please correct me if I'm wrong.